If Midjourney is not working, there are a few reasons why. Midjourney is one of the most popular AI generation tools on the market, and especially since it integrates so well with Discord, you can create images straight from your Discord account. The servers could be overloaded, and that may be during a peak hour. So the solution to this is to try again later or consider using Midjourney during less busy times in order for faster processing times. And the second is going to be there could be a issue with your Discord permissions. As we can see, this is a throwaway Discord account and we cannot actually use the feature without claiming our account. So make sure you have the correct Discord permissions. You also want to make sure that you have direct messages enabled because the Midjourney bot is going to need to direct message with you. Now, if you're generating the images directly on the Midjourney website, make sure you have the correct login details and you are using the same credentials that you use on Discord. But you can always try logging in and out if it does not work.